Here we go. Oh, oh, that put my back into place. And going down. Woo! Well, it's not as squeaky as Pleasure Beach Express. And going down. Woo! What a gorgeous day to ride a roller coaster. Especially one that's as classic as this. Whoa! Woo! Off we go again. Woo! Brilliant, just brilliant.
So, they don't come off on your they're not going to come off on you. Go above the down.
Well, I've lost my voice. Too much shouting and going wee on the roller coaster. Had a great time. Thank you for Scott and the rest of your experience, guys. It's been a blast. Been great to speak to people going round, and yeah, it's been wonderful. And I hadn't realised it's been like over a quarter of a century since I'd been here. I thought it was 10 years. Clearly, yeah, the years rush by. Anyway, this has been Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach. This has been a lot of fun. Great family park with just, well, a jewel in the crown with a roller coaster. I'm chuffed as flip. Till next time, see you on the park.